Welcome back everybody to Easy Mathematics by Sky. You are watching Class 9 Refresher Course Module 2021. We start with the first. It is from elementary level to the higher level. We are in Class 9 Refresher Course Module. The first is Introduction to Two-Digit Number. The evaluation part, you know two-digit number contain one sentence. So number of the flower given in the diagram are 18. The number of students in your class, you have to write whatever the number of students in your class. So you can fill this. Your father's age. So as you know, your father's age, you just write the age. Now we come to the second part of it. The second part is predecessor and successor. As you know, predecessor means the number before and successor means the number after. So predecessor of 37 is 36. Successor of 84 is 85. The number between 54 and 56 is 55. Now we come to the third part, that is place value. So we know that every number has its own place value. This is unit, this is tens. So 4 is tens, 3 is ones, 6 is tens in 67, 6 is tens, 7 is ones. So if these two are given, you write the number as 67. If 8 is given, 8 tens and 0 ones. Next we come to the fourth part of it. The fourth part is comparison. We compare two things. Which is smaller than 45? So in this given numbers 54, 45, 25, 66, 25 is smaller. Which is greater than 68? 86 is greater than 68. The number equal to 56 is 56. Next we are coming to ascending and descending. So as you know, so we are given with the ascending and descending number arranged in the ascending order. So as you can see, among this ascending order means smaller to higher. The smallest is 11, then 18, then 27, then 39 and then 44. Now arrange in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So the biggest number is 84, then 72, then 64, then 48 and then 36. Now we come to the next part, that is sixth part. It is called as addition. So for addition we are given 13 plus 12. In the question the balls are given, that is why I have written ball. So 13 ball plus 12 ball makes it 25 balls. 62 plus 37. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 6 plus 3 is also 9. So it becomes 99. 48 plus 34. 4 plus 8 is 12. So we carry. So 3 plus 4 plus 1, 8. The next part is subtraction. So we have completed 6 part in this. Now we are in subtraction. The subtraction is 87 minus 34 is 53. 64 minus 25 is 39. Ramu had 15 marble of which 6 are broken. Find the remaining marble. So 15 minus 6 equal to 9. Then odd and even numbers. Now in odd and even number they are asking, by encircling 2's check whether the following are odd or even. So these are all in 2's. So we are given with a star, we have to just group them. So there is no star left. Yes, they are in even number. Circle the odd number. So which is odd? 14 is even, 21 is odd, 28 is even, 33 is odd, 36 is even. Circle the even number. 32 is even, 35 is odd, 47 is odd, 44 is even, 56 even. Next, we are coming to the part 9. So in part 9 we are given. In part 9 we are given 3-digit number, the number of leaves. So there are leaves given, those are 112. Some 3-digit number formed by using 3, 5 and 7. So you can write 357, 375, 573 and we can write more number, but they have written some. So any 3 number we write, that is enough. The biggest 3-digit number is 999. So next we come to addition. So in this addition we are given with 415 plus 237 becomes 652. 562 plus 437 becomes 999. Find the total. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Next we are coming to subtraction. So subtract these. It is 303. Subtract these two numbers. It is 349. Find the subtraction. So when it is 14. So when it is 14. So we borrow from the nearby number. It becomes 3 and it becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 5 still not possible. We make it 5. It becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is what? 8. So 5 minus 4 is 1. This is 189. Next we come to multiplication. So as you know, multiplication is repeated addition. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 20. 8 into 7 is 56. 24 into 13 is 312. Next we are coming to square number. Circle the number which is square. So as you know, 36 is the square here, 64 is the square here. 36 square of 6, 64 is square of 8. So the next number is the square of 7 is 49. Check whether 81 is a square number. Yes, it is a square of 9. So therefore I don't think we can make few more videos. So LCM, least common multiple. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Common multiple of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18. LCM of 4 and 5 is 1. 4 and 5 is 20.